Enough here, my dad. I'm not going to buy this for two. That's two. Whoa! If I for two, oh yeah. Or if it's two, I'll to my pet then.
You're scaring me! What is up, guys? No, I need to fix my headband, but welcome to another vlog.
What's up? It's your boy Joji.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus today.
Christmas tree, Christmas tree, you be all celebrate.
What? So as you probably guessed by the title of this video, yes, we're gonna be putting up our Christmas tree. The last 2 years we've had like really crappy Christmas trees. Last year I don't think we had one at all. The year before we had the really small one when we were in our old house. But today we thought, what the heck, let's get into the Christmas spirit. I would have had on what Aussie has on, but you know, we ain't the same size. So go figure, I had to just get my own Hawaiian Christmas shirt and I've got my nice black dress on.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Joji. Christmas tree here. As you see in my outfit today. Ooh, snaggy. Today we're gonna put our Christmas tree up. Hello, Mr. Santa Claus.
Guys, please do not mind any mess you see in this house. I just got back from Bali not long ago and we haven't had a cleaner come to our house. Not since I left.
Oi, I'll clean my house when she goes. And
guys, look, I still got Pocky from Bali.
I never got any present from Bali.
Stop lying.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Joji with another video Christmas time, guys, and Christmas vlog. Today we're gonna fix our thing today, guys. We have a decoration here for our trees. See guys?
So it is super hot here in Canberra where we are because of the fires. They're not near us, or they are kind of near us because it's really smoky where we are, but it's been super, super hot. So we've only got this little portable aircon over there. Christmas tree decorations. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Not even finished.
Well, we haven't got the lights yet.
Yeah, boy.
Stand in front of it, Aussie. The star is the last thing to go on, guys. Don't want to get the glitter anywhere because it's already all over our dining table and the floor. But let's do it together. Oh, it's so beautiful. We did it.
Wow.
How pretty it is. Guys, we just finished our Christmas tree. We probably don't have enough lights as I'd wanted. You can't really see them. They were solar lights, but they are so beautiful. Yeah. What do you think?
As you know, guys, it's the Christmas season. We put our trees and it looks nice, babe. It looks nice.
Looks nice, babe. Are they your babe?
You better bought a Christmas tree for you guys. It's not that expensive, guys, but to show your respect for the baby born.
I love it so much.
I love it. I love it.
My poor Christmas tree, I lay you present.
We don't have a present down here. We bought a present this weekend for this Christmas tree. All the present you see it on Saturday, all down here.
I'm gonna turn off the light and see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cool. Oh yeah, babe, how are we supposed to see anything? Look, it's an S for Aussie. We do have more lights, guys. We just found our decorations from last time.
Oh.
But this is my bauble from my friend. Okay, guys, BRB, we're gonna put on these lights and we'll be back. Guys, we've just put the lights on, the new set of lights that we found. I want you guys to be the first one to see it. Aussie, take the camera so I can turn it on.
Turn it on. Turn it on now.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not even working anymore. 3, 2,
See you guys.
1. Oh, it really is a Christmas tree now.
Enough here, my dad. I'm not going to buy this for two. That's too whoa. If I buy it for two, or if it's two, I'll do my better than.
You're scaring me! Okay guys, so that is us putting up our Christmas tree. We hope you enjoyed it. Get into the Christmas season, the Christmas festive season, guys. I can't wait for these presents to be filled up underneath the tree, which Aussie is going to get for me. Are you Aussie, baby? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a special one and dear to our hearts because we are going to a local fundraiser, a measles epidemic that's happening in Samoa right now. I've already done a bit of my part and donated earlier when it first happened to a foundation in Samoa, but a local church is raising more funds because we're hearing of stories where families aren't able to pay their bills. I'm not 100% sure of the story, and now these families are being urged to pay bills and they can't afford it. But I'm just thinking, where is all the money going that's being donated? Anyway, that's not a question for me to answer, but I don't know. I'm not even going to open that can of worms. We're going to go and support our people and buy some things from the fundraiser to help support our beloved Samoa. Hey!
What's up, guys? I just finished work, guys.
Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. We came back home because as we were driving off, the battery started flashing. So obviously our battery is low. So we're gonna switch it out for the PowerShot camera. So I'll be back.
Shut up, guys.
We're here at the fundraiser now. So basically they're selling fashion stuff to help raise funds for the epidemic. So they've just been coming out modeling all of their uletassis.
When I rang up one of the ladies in Samoa because I wanted to purchase some, she was crying and she said to Noah, this is really an answer to prayer that you call and you make this big order. And I said, why is that? Because this is the greatest time in our businesses, but people are not coming to buy. People are too sad to buy something new. And we did an order that's more than $1,000 that came from Samoa. Somebody
her name is Levita.
So my contribution to fundraiser that they're doing here, I'm going to be buying this. Have a look, it's very nice. And I just found out they have the men's salon in this kind of material. So I'm going to buy that for Aussie as well. So we have just jumped into the car, waiting for my baby nephew to get changed. He wanted to come with Auntie Victoria and George, Aussie boy. We're still in the car park of the event. I was really happy that we were able to contribute something. I'm sure that it will go a long way in Samoa. Our help was highly accepted and appreciated, babe.
Yeah, for now, guys, you know, there's a family in Samoa called Michela. Yeah, guys, I'm going to see the fear here of coffee. So, I'm going to be very large. Ciao, singa mea lofa le mo Samoa penga nga maua le fa ma yo Michela ya ma donation ya mo ka maiki makanga kolo penga ma ingolo safa Michela ya guys represent Samoa.
We're here at the mall now, guys. This camera seems really close because I'm so used to having the wide shot camera. Coming to do some Christmas shopping, and I'm meant to come without Aussie because he's gonna see what I've got him.
So we're going to do our shop for the Christmas time. So we're going to do our shop for presents for Christmas shop. This is Maui. Hello, Maui. How are you today, Moana?
Hey, I saw this in Bali.
I'm gonna go buy a present for...
You can't show them because I'm gonna be editing it.
Yeah, guys, do my shopping. This is my first present. I'm not gonna tell you. You see it, guys. You see it when she opened her present. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh my gosh, guys, that is so much better. I'm so used to this lens. Honestly, I love it so much. I don't like going back to the power shot camera because I feel like it's super close. I'm sweating a bit because I just finished wrapping Aussie's gifts, some of his gifts. I think 2 or 3 are still on the way, which I ordered. Hopefully they come before Christmas. Oh, Christmas tree, yeah, Christmas tree. Here we are celebrating. Come, Chichinappi, lie down. How the hell did you guys get in?
Because your garage is still open.
Oh my gosh, can you bring it down?